baby.
Oh, yeah.
One
Little baby duckies.
Wait.
Baby duckies.
I
bet that was
Oh, yeah.
I want to jump.
That sure don't want to go in
Oh, Daddy, you're ballooning.
there.
Yeah!
Look, Daddy. Look, Dad.
Little
The
no.
turtle.
He communicated. He communicated. Turtles over there. See the turtles? Wait. No, you probably can't see them. Yeah.
Gander, the amazing turtle.
Oh, look how they.
Small little spot there.
Oh, the duck, the turtle going by. Look at the
I'm
baby
coming
one.
over there. There you go.
The turtle's looking at They're coming.
Coming to greet, you know.
The others coming. And the baby one.
Little family, you know, little family.
Yeah, you have to look at this turtle.
Turtle? Oh, yeah.
Baby one and a big one.
Hey, family.
There's another one.
Oh, gone.
Whoa.
Oh, what was that?
Fight, fight. No fight.
Balloon in your bed. Cool, that's a lot.
All right, now, we all got to get along. We all need to get along now. Let's get along.
Okay.
Family, let's get along.
Okay, Mel, duck. You gotta jingle
All right, that's I think people come out here and feed them because, wow, they just all just swarmed around, just came.
Yo, Dad, you know anything you need braille? A fish! A fish!
I tell you, you don't even know
One is over here, nobody's looking. Look at the deep side. That one is by the fish. I'm trying to catch one.
Really?
Oh, one is popping out with. That one have a red eye. That one have a red eye, and that one have a red eye. Those two have red eyes.
I ain't see this many at one time, ever. At one time, ever.
Turtle.
I like how the little ducky go on the Greek, yeah, to get on the little one back.
Two have red eyes. Look at this one. It's like it wants.
Wow.
That one kind of with sea.
Oh, the one out there. Mm-hmm.
Look at the little one.
I think it's one of those right there.
There's a lot of them coming. Mom, two over there by themselves. That little baby fish doesn't have their legs.
Just say they do got legs.
His legs backwards. They swim like that. The other one is swimming like that. Look at that turtle. Look at the little one. He has
They never really came up like this. Like, usually when we come to a little spot like this here, they'll see us and then they'll dip right back down in the water.
Cool, look at the babies.
Oh, wow. They everywhere.
They melt.
The water in my way, we're going for a walk. To try and walk her out. I think, whew.
Taking a little walk, I got the flow now. Walking by a little library, you know. I know we're about to make videos. I know y'all hear all these damn polluting ass vehicles too. But yeah, see how it does, see where all the cars at? Yeah, that's danger. Yeah. Danger. And this safety. Nature. How you like that one? Yeah. You know me, I'm always loving my plants, you know. Oh, the butterfly. Remember, danger. Nature. Danger. See that? See all them damn cars? Shit, danger. Nature. Alright, but yeah. The little ones. Love to have. They all make me full and whole. Part of my fullness and wholeness. Yeah. See? Yeah. Got me facing. Got me facing, baby. We're gonna get on their hair though. Then in the right moment, we're gonna get on it. You know. We just started our oldest ones on. We need a retwist. And we're gonna get the young ones, you know. When the moment comes, But then, you know. Just a joint. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Yeah, they should be all in here. Hmm? You see a little butterfly.
She should be on
Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, you're right. Wait a minute. Zoom in, get right. All right. Got one of my favorite trees again. Yeah.
Where y'all want to go? Here or there? Here or
Y'all want to stay here?
here?
Well, go over there if y'all want to play on the playground.
We're gonna go down the slide and their booty's gonna be wet.
This is a big old healthy tree. Look at that. How they got the wires all through the tree, like.
What's on wire?
Well, you see these black wires right here? See them?
Oh,
Right.
that's
And they taped up there
those
too.
light up at night.
Putting this garbage on the trees
That's the
and
tree.
stuff.
I mean, that's from the tree.
It's a real big old healthy tree. This look like the same
tree that they cut.
yeah that they cut down at the other part.
It is.
Fucking assholes. Ignorant fucks. Always cutting down something. Oh. They need to leave nature alone. Damn, they need to plant some alone. Let them live. They let nothing live. Beautiness, sexiness, gorgeousness. Fine, pretty, pretty, pretty. I know you hit me. All right, hold on.
I do kind of, oh.
Plant-based, most of my clothes made of cotton. I put food in my body that rottens. He got Nikes on it, ain't real leather. For me and Mama Earth, that makes it even better. Tattoos on my body, all vegan. Come a little close, they have a deep meaning. Killing animals is not in my bloodline. That type of shit that don't even cipher cross my mind. My shorts cotton and some polyester. On my shirts cotton gold vegan great gesture. Updating to Saucony's and Skechers. Trying to kill an animal around me, I won't let ya.
Trying to show or prove you right, trying to justify. Shows you naive to facts, you die. Spiritually, you dying slow. Physically, animals have rights too, so stop the fatalities. Trying to show or prove you right, trying to justify. Shows you naive to facts, you die. Spiritually, you dying slow. Physically, animals have rights too, so stop the fatalities.
Question pop up like where you get your protein? The same place where animals get their protein. From Mama Earth, everything we need is from a plant. They say it's protein and was dead, no it ain't. A damn lie, you have to be alive to keep it up. So how the fuck is in what's dead? Hush, that's enough. You don't make sense, think on it before you speak. Like when you eat meat, do you think on it before you sleep? No you don't, you don't have a conscience. You mistaken what's dead for real lunches. Zombies eat brains, you eat the whole body, dang. Super zombie, here's some fruit, you know coming. Trying to show or prove you right, trying to justify. Shows you naive to facts, you die. Spiritually, you dying slow. Physically, animals have rights too, so stop the fatalities. Trying to show or prove you right, trying to justify. Shows you naive to facts, you die. Spiritually, you dying slow. Physically, animals have rights too, so stop the fatalities.
Shit.
Live cruelty free, chemical free. I done been up all night working on this song. It's 6:42 in the morning. I need to get some shut-eyes. I'm out. Trying to show or prove you right, trying to justify. Shows you naive to facts, you die. Spiritually, you dying slow. Physically, animals have rights too, so stop the fatalities. Trying to show or prove you right, trying to justify. Shows you naive to facts, you die. Spiritually, you dying slow. Physically, animals have rights too, so stop the fatalities.